Looking to breathe new life into your old table or floor lamp? The PowerGear 3-Way Lamp Kit offers a simple, effective way to repair or refurbish portable lamps without calling a professional. Whether your lamp's wiring is worn or the sockets outdated, this kit gives you everything needed to get it glowing again. Inside the kit, you'll find a 10-inch harp, an 18 Aruban Florence cord set with a polarized plug, a 3-way turn knob socket, a finial, and all the fittings required for installation. The detailed instructions make the process straightforward, even if you're new to DIY projects. It's designed to fit right onto your existing lamp nipple, saving time and hassle. What sets this kit apart is its compatibility with 3-way Type A bulbs, supporting wattages from 100 to 250 watts with a standard medium, E26, base. That means you can customize your lighting levels easily, adjusting brightness to suit any mood or setting. Plus, the kit accommodates lamp to shade spacing from 3.5 inches to 7.25 inches, fitting shades with openings between 4 and 5.5 inches. The classic gold finish on the harp, cord, and fittings adds a touch of elegance to your lamp, making it look polished and fresh. It's not just about function. This kit enhances the style of your lighting fixture, blending seamlessly with a variety of decor. With an 8-foot cord, you gain flexibility in lamp placement, no more awkwardly close to outlets. This extended reach lets you position your lamp exactly where you want it, improving both convenience and room aesthetics. If that's you, this kit is worth a look. Customers across the U.S. praise how easy it is to assemble. One user shared how simply pulling out the old plug and installing this kit made their lamp look brand new. It's a quick upgrade that saves you the cost of a new lamp while restoring full function. Ready to give your worn-out lamp a fresh start? The PowerGear 3-Way Lamp Kit offers a reliable, elegant solution with all the parts and guidance you need. Try it when you're ready to turn your lamp into a bright, stylish centerpiece once again. Don't settle for a dull or broken lamp. Re-establish your lighting power with the PowerGear 3-Way Lamp Kit and enjoy better control, classic design, and easy installation, all in one package.